3D printing is becoming more and more popular in the medical device industry because it has many advantages over traditional ways of manufacturing. 3D printing can be a huge help in any project to make a medical device, whether it's to print complicated shapes or to cut down on production costs and lead times. The capacity to construct complex geometries is one of the chief benefits of 3D printing. Traditional manufacturing procedures are restricted to simple shapes, but 3D printing allows for the creation of objects with complicated features and non-standard geometries. This makes 3D printing excellent for the fabrication of medical equipment, as it permits the production of devices with intricate parts and features. Additionally, 3D printing is a cost-effective and time-efficient manufacturing technique. When making complicated pieces, traditional manufacturing procedures can be expensive and labor-intensive. As a result of the elimination of tooling and labor expenditures, 3D printing can cut costs and lead times. In addition, 3D printing is an additive process, which means that only the necessary amount of material is utilized to generate the desired output, hence minimizing waste and overall expenses. Lastly, 3D printing is a versatile way to make things that can make parts with different qualities and out of different materials. This makes it particularly beneficial for the manufacturing of medical equipment, as it enables the creation of tailored and individualized devices for individual patients. Biocompatible materials can also be produced via 3D printing, which is necessary for medical equipment that comes into touch with the human body. In conclusion, 3D printing is a great tool for the production of medical devices due to its capacity to generate complicated geometries, its cost and time effectiveness, and its material and property diversity.